spot to hang over by the merch shop. And I was helping Steve Mabry, who's been doing the interior design. Russell butts in, making a bunch of noise about something. Tell me something good, Russell.
Your Mr. Norm band does not have as much traction as you would like to think. There's not a lot of people.
Mr. Norm?